Good morning, Professor Harwin here. Today's video cast of what to do this week is brought to you by Dunkin' Donuts. This teacher runs on Dunkin' Donuts. True. Okay, moving on. This week you're gonna first click on the objectives of the week. I want you to read chapter 3 and 4. Look at the presentations. There's a few different videos. One is about the changes in DSM-5 that came out since May 2013. In other words, that used to be DSM-4, which was the earlier version of the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual for Mental Disorders, and now the newer version is out. I want you to look at the anxiety disorder and treatment videos. The videos on chapter 4, where I have one on obsessive compulsive disorder and one that's actually more of a podcast than a video on body dysmorphic disorder. And then I have an article on body dysmorphic disorder, which is by Catherine. It's an interview about Catherine Phillips. She's answering questions about it. She's a very well-known author who wrote a book called A Broken Mirror that's famous on body dysmorphic disorder. Then there's two different discussion boards. Ignore this, I need to fix it. It's supposed to be due Thursday, June 5th. And then your response to someone else on Sunday. Same thing here, due Thursday, respond to someone else Sunday. A case study assignment for anxiety disorders. You need to say which disorder each person has and explain why. The quiz, same sort of thing as last quiz. As you probably saw, you need to make sure you did the reading or at least have a good idea about it and went through the PowerPoints. Here's an important part that I wanted to go over. You need to give me by Sunday a proposal for your final movie paper. Now, this isn't just what movie you're going to use for the paper, see the instructions here, but it's also what peer-reviewed article you're going to use. So I'm not just accepting the proposal if you just tell me, well, this is the movie, this is the character. You need to give me the movie, step 1. You need to give me the diagnosis of the character, step 2. You need to find a peer-reviewed scientific journal article, and you need to find it on the disorder that the person in the movie has. I don't want the article to be about the movie, so don't search the movie. Search the disorder. So if you're doing a movie in which the person has obsessive compulsive disorder, you're going to find a peer-reviewed article about that disorder. Now, this isn't just a news article. This isn't just Yahoo News. This isn't someone's blog. This is a peer-reviewed article. That means you need to use the library research system to find it. I made a YouTube video cast about how to do that, which you will click here. And that should help you out. If you have any questions on this, please ask me. Again, start looking for the article before Sunday. And remember, this has to be an article you can understand a bit because you're going to be applying it to your final movie paper that's due in a few weeks. So I think that's pretty much that. Any questions, you guys know where to find me. All right. Have a wonderful week and we'll be in touch. Thanks.